Another geometry problem. This time we're dealing with symmetry. Okay, they say complete the shape below using the line xy as the line of symmetry. And if we look at our grid, we'll see the outline of something on this side of the xy line. It's still shaded in, so we need to complete the shape. So we have to utilize our understanding of the property of symmetry, line symmetry in particular, that we'll be able to complete this shape. Alright, and notice it's 2 marks for this question, so more than likely it's knowledge with another problem solving type of mark allocation, right? It could also just simply be problem solving, full stop. But here we go. So let's apply symmetry, right? So first of all, the line of symmetry that we have here is going to divide our shape into 2 equal parts that look like the mirror reflection of each other. So if this is one piece of it, then we have to complete the other piece of it. And essentially, if the pieces are symmetric, then that means the side that we're going to be drawing in on this portion of the grid must reflect what we're seeing here. So we have to pay attention to these lengths that we're drawing in, so we can use the blocks to help us, to help guide us with drawing in the straight edges. Okay, so we'll start with the first one, which is the shortest one. Because this length here, right, this distance, is just 1 unit, we're just going to draw the reflection, and I'll draw it in blue, 1 unit up from the line of symmetry, from this point. So this is the first part, right? We could draw in the slant if we want to, right? But what I would suggest is doing the other side here that we give on this straight edge here, right, this line, and then drawing in this one, the mirror version of this one, and then we'll draw in this slant. So let's draw in this line. This has 4 units, right? So this line is 4 units long, so I'm going to draw it in 4 units upward from the mirror line. So look like that and stop there. And then we're going to draw in this one, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 5 units long. So this line, the mirror image of it, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Here we go. 5 units long. From there now, all we have to do is draw in a slant, and basically the slant is going to, that slanted piece is going to connect this vertex, to this one. So these 2 vertices are going to be connected by that edge. And we're done, right? We could shade it in if we like, right? We could shade it in if we like. And that will help just, in completing the diagram. If you feel like shading it in, you don't have to, but that's essentially what you'll do, right? So you have to use the property of symmetry to be able to complete this, and you will get your complete shape to look like this. Alright, that's all there is to this question. Simple little 2-mark question once you understand the concept of symmetry. Okay, and the use of the grid as well is really good to guide you with being able to get the mirror image correctly, because you have to make sure that the shape, the sides, all have the appropriate distances. Alright, that's the only way that you'll get that symmetric mirror image along the XY line. Okay, so this is how you'd approach a question that involves symmetry, where you need to complete an incomplete shape. And like I said, just knowledge of symmetry and being able to use your grid, and you'll be able to do this question easy peasy.